Today, the workflow of how a down comforter is produced is shown step by step. Solar panels supply part of the factory's electricity, and real-time data allows monitoring of daily power generation. Ultra-soft purified water is prepared for washing feathers. Softening the water improves detergent performance and enhances overall washing efficiency. During purification, microbubbles smaller than 0.001 millimeters, known as ultrafine bubbles, are also generated. These bubbles penetrate the delicate gaps between feathers, removing dirt thoroughly. Carefully selected raw feathers sourced from around the world arrive at the factory. The imported feathers are fed into the washing line, drawn in automatically by machine. Before washing begins, an initial pre-dusting removes larger impurities. The feathers then enter the washing stage. A single application of detergent is used, followed by repeated rinsing with water until the feathers are completely clean. After washing, they undergo dehydration and then drying. The drying process is gentle, similar to drying hair with a dryer, and restores the feather's natural fluffiness. Airflow sorting separates the materials into down, small feathers, and large feathers or impurities. Using air pressure, larger pieces are filtered out for further classification. For Nishikawa's proprietary fresh-up processing, the washed feathers are drawn upward. To demonstrate the difference before and after processing, feathers are spread by hand. They are then fed into the fresh-up machine. Final sorting uses air to remove the last remaining impurities, resulting in high-quality Nishikawa down. After processing, the feathers are bagged, completing the refining stage. For comparison, processed feathers are displayed by hand to show their restored volume, though this is not part of the production line. Each batch is checked for quality, including confirmation of the blending ratio. In one of 8 quality tests, technicians separate feathers manually with tweezers into categories such as down and small feathers, calculating ratios by mass. Species identification is also performed using an optical microscope to determine the proportion of goose and duck feathers. Fabric cutting and sewing follow. The quilt pattern is sewn carefully to support the down's loft and softness. Marks are applied with an iron to guide stitching, and the outer fabric is assembled. Product tags are stitched on, and a JTAS label certifying down origin is attached,